How to thread a needle. Cut a length of thread about 18 to 24 inches long. Too long and I will tangle. Too short and you will run out quickly. Thread the needle by gently pushing the cut end through the eye of the needle. If it frays, trim it with sharp scissors and try again. Pull the thread through and knot it at the end. A single thread is fine for most basic hand stitches, but for a very strong stitch, like for mending seams, you can double it. I always double the thread for my kits and not the end, because then the thread doesn't slip off the needle. Hold the needle between your thumb and the middle finger of your right hand, or dominant hand, guiding it with the index finger. Let's start with the simplest and most versatile of all the basic hand stitches, the running stitch. It's often the first stitch people learn because it mimics the look of a straight stitch on a sewing machine, but with your own hands. How to do it? Start by bringing your needle up through the right side of the fabric. Push the needle back down through the fabric in a straight line, creating your first stitch. Come back up a short distance away and repeat. Continue making evenly spaced stitches, guiding the needle point forward in a straight line. You can either weave the needle in and out of the fabric in one motion, great for basting stitches, or pull the thread through after each single stitch. Both of them work. Tips: try to keep your stitch length even. About 1/8 to 1/4 inch is ideal for most fabrics. And if your fabric is thick or you need extra strength, make smaller stitches. You will use this stitch for temporary basting stitches, simple seams, gathering fabric, quilting lines, and decorative rows, especially when using contrasting threads. It's a great stitch for getting a feel for the rhythm of hand stitching, and once you're comfortable, you can start speeding up.